Alright, let's directly jump into the products right now. Here we have two boxes. One of it is the simple W2 wireless system, which is your basic home security system. The other one is actually, from the box itself you can see, is actually your PTZ, which is pan, tilt and zoom wireless camera. Okay, so this particular one, I think, okay, I haven't seen yet. You can control the movement, you can zoom, and of course you can just install it wirelessly as well. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this one to see what's inside, and then this one next. Okay, from the look of it, this box, it has the main controller unit. Okay, door transmitter, that's for the sensors for the door. Windows transmitter, so this one I presume you install it at the window, which should be the same, the door and the Windows one. Okay, motion detector, which uses PIR, the remote control and indoor siren. Okay, very interesting. Okay, right, let's see this one. Okay, let's see what have we here. Alright, so we have the main unit. Okay, so this particular unit, if you check, it looks like a wireless router, right? So actually it is some sort like a wireless router, except that this particular unit is actually using the frequency of 921 megahertz. Okay, so 921 megahertz is a frequency that's dedicated for this particular unit, which is actually different from our Wi-Fi router or Bluetooth, which means frequency like this will not be jammed or will not interfere with your other devices at home. Okay, a lot of other devices, okay, especially those off the shelf and those you buy online, is actually using Wi-Fi. Okay, which means you are actually clogging up your Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so this particular router unit, okay, or their main controller unit will be connecting to the other devices using the 921 megahertz frequency and convert all that into connect this into the internet, so it will connect with your app and you get to monitor it from your phone. Alright, so one unit of the main controller unit. So for this main controller unit, it comes with a power adapter. Of course, it's not wirelessly installed because end of the day, the main controller unit, you need to connect it to the internet via the LAN cable. Alright, and then what we have here, this is the PIR sensor. So this particular one is the one that, you know, detects motion at home, and then it will probably trigger an alarm. We will check it in the app later. Okay, and this is wireless. Okay, so later on, let's see how we install this and where are the batteries and all that. Okay, oh, what is this? This is kind of unique. This is actually the remote control, so you can have the panic button and all these other buttons, which we will go in depth into this particular remote. Okay, this one looks like your alarm unit. Okay, yeah, you look at that, that's your buzzer. Should be very loud. I heard that it's over 3 digits in dB. Okay, BluGuard, fully wireless. Yep, let me see. Yeah, that's the battery compartment. Looks like there's also power. That's why they give you this power adapter. Okay, as usual, we'll dive into that later. This is your two sensors, which is for the door and windows, or windows and windows, or other hacks that I'm going to show you how we can set this up as well. 2 units of that. And then the rest of it are attachments. Okay, you have the bracket for your SIREN. Okay, this one probably is for your PIR sensor. Okay, it comes with your wall plugs, very general, and oh, very generous as well. You have alkaline batteries. Okay, and your LAN cable. Okay, so, and of course with this, you have your manuals, which I don't know where I put my manuals. Cut, insert And of course, with the box which I took out just now, comes with your basic user manual. Okay, so you have a user manual and a quick start guide. Very simple stuff. Let me see. Of course, the quick start guide will go through your kit content. There's also optional accessories. There are a few very interesting ones which I would invest into, like the RF keypad, probably to put in your password. Okay, there's an outdoor camera unit, and then the indoor camera unit, which we will review that later as well. Okay, simple diagram of how do you install all of that. And there's also a quick start guide to install the app and to pair all the devices. Okay, gonna go through that. Let's see, in the user manual, safety notices. Okay, download the Android version, all the other app versions. Okay, okay, how to pair, how to reset, how to add more devices. Okay, very comprehensive guide. Alright, nice. So this is in the box of the simple wireless system W2. This is the particular model from BluGuard. Okay, from the look of it, the quality of the devices are very nice. Okay, shiny. Sounds like good plastic, not those cheap frail ones. Devices, let me see. The batteries are all inside here. Okay, from the look of it, it can last easily 18 months to 2 years. Okay, we will dive more into the details in the next video. Alright, thank you. Continue watching part 3, where we deep dive into each of the sensors.